Okay, Chris, I've got a little demonstration video here for you of the NavLight set for Stinson Reliant that I built for you. This is a really deluxe version of the Reliant NavLights. I've got a set of lesser extensive set of these that I'm going to be putting on the website here as soon as I can get time to upload all the pictures and everything. But this is a really deluxe set. Got a lot going on here. It's really nice, and I think you're going to like it. Show you what we got going on here. This is the main circuit board, and you'll notice in the top left-hand corner of the board here, you got a little push-button switch. That is going to be the way you select from two different blink rates on the strobes, wingtip strobes, and from two different rotational speeds, simulated rotational speeds on the beacon. So I'll show you how that works here in just a second. This is the red beacon for the belly. This is your white light for the back of the rudder. This is your red and white left wingtip, green and white right wingtip, your two landing lights with the reflectors. And you wanted the wig-wag pattern on your landing lights, so I'll show you those here in just a second. And then this servo is going to show you the action of the servo that's going to be servos that are going to be mounted in your plane that will raise and lower the panel on the bottom of the wing that contains these landing lights. That's how the Stinson Reliants were built. This is the wire that leads to your receiver, and I've got one of my servo testers here to provide the signal. So let me show you how this all works. The circuit's got three modes. Mode 1 is all lights off. That's where we are now. We're going to advance the channel up around the center of the channel, and you'll see that all your navigation lights come on. There is your red simulated rotating beacon for the belly, your white solid light for the rudder, your two wingtip lights, green and red, with a double blink strobe for each. And now I'm going to advance the channel a little bit further, and you'll see that the servo will rotate and your landing lights will come on in the wig-wag pattern. Now we're going to rotate the channel back, and you'll see that the servo goes the other way and turns the landing lights off. Nav lights remain on. Let me show you the patterns now that you have on the strobe and the beacon. I'm going to press this button once, and you'll see that the only change is that the strobes are going to blink more quickly. Okay, so you still got a double blink, but now it's a quicker double blink. Same simulated speed on the beacon. Now I'm going to press it again, and we're going to go back to the slower blink on the strobes, but you'll notice that the beacon seems to be rotating more quickly. And then I'm going to press it a fourth time, and this is the one I like the best. This one's got a real quick blink on the strobes and a kind of a fast rotational speed on that beacon. You can choose the one you like the best, and about 15 seconds after you make your choice, it'll save that to the program's memory, and it'll come on in that mode every time you turn the plane on until you decide to change it. I'm going to press it a fourth time, and you'll notice all your lights start fading up and down, and that's to indicate that you're starting over in the pattern, and then you go back to pattern number 1. So show you one more time the action of the landing lights. Will advance the channel all the way, and the servo rotates, turns the landing lights on. Get the camera at the right angle here. We come back with the lights go off, and the panel comes back up into the wing. So I'm going to get this uploaded to YouTube, send you the link, let you take a look at it, and then if everything looks okay, we'll get it packed up and headed your way. Thanks, Chris.